observe more closely, now that you kind of know what's happening, you'll be seeing the odd columns rotating down to 0 each digit, while rotating up to even column. And then you'll see where they come back, and the carries happen. You'll see that's the back. And then the rolls will be reversed, and even columns will count down while incrementing the odd column. So you'll see these things raising and lowering. Watch those, or you can also see it here, although it's shinier here, harder to see. And things rotating in and out towards each other.
So the carry propagation are these poles here with these arms on them. They're arranged in a helix. So take a look at that. You want me to hit 5?
Yeah.
This was never actually built by hand. It was vision.
Right. We're going to get to that.
That is full speed.
Yeah.